This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so today we'll talk about mass record transfer. So let me log into our account. You guys have any questions on previous topic? Any doubts? Any question that you want to ask? Okay. So why we use this concept? Means, for example, let's say some person has been left the company. Okay. Some person has been left the company. Okay. So if a person left the company, okay. So whatever, if a person left the company, if a person left the company, okay, if a person left the company, okay, whatever work that he is doing, okay, that work has to be transferred to some other person, or if any new employee joins under name, they will transfer, right? Correct. As said, if you are working in any organization, okay, if you are working in any organization and your organization, let's say you left that organization, so whatever work that you do, it will be get replaced. Since you left, some other person will come and he will do your work, right? Correct. Everywhere, not only in that company, everywhere. The same way here also, consider a situation came where some sales executive has been left the company, okay. So on behalf of him, some new sales executive got appointed. So now the management says that, so the sales executive is to work on the lead records. Okay. So since that guy left the company, so whatever records that owned by that person, okay. So here you can add, let's say, owner first name and last name will add. So let's say the guy is a Romana. Okay, so this guy left the company. Okay, so since this guy left the company, whatever records owned by this person, okay, now the management want to transfer to some other person. So here we have an Alexa, right? So whatever the records that owned by Romana, now we want to transfer to, now we want to transfer to Alexa. Okay, let's see how we can do this. Okay, so just go to setup. Okay. So there is a concept called mass record transfer. Mass record transfer. So in the quick find box, just type mass record transfer, mass transfer records, and which object, select that particular object. I selected lead object. So you want to transfer from user or queue. I want to go with the user. Queue I'll tell you later. And I want to transfer from which user? I want to transfer from Rumana to, okay, on which name you want to transfer? I want to transfer to Alexa. Now, while you transfer, you want to go with any criteria. Criteria means, for example, this says that the records created, okay, let's say the leads came from web, okay, who are in working contracted. With this condition, if any records are there, transfer to Alexa. So you can select the condition is lead source equals to web, and the lead status is equal to working contracted. Just find see four records came, okay. So the conditions we can write on that particular field, okay. Conditions we can write on the particular field, okay. Now find, so without condition also we can go. So select all the records, transfer, So now what will happen? It got 22 records got transferred, leads got transferred. Now go back and check. See, previously it was on Romana. Now if you check, just refresh. Okay. So now if you want to transfer from other name, for example, for your practice, so go to mass transfer record, transfer leads. So transfer from Alexa to the transfer to Romana, lead source equal to web, lead status equal to working contacted, find, select them, transfer. Okay, now four records got transferred. So this is how we can transfer the records from one user to another user. Okay, any questions? Any questions?